Scientists confirm that the cause of climate change is external to the solar system. Nothing is stable, including the solar system, the Sun and all the bodies that orbit it, planets, moons, asteroids, meteors, comets, etc. New evidence suggests that the solar system is moving into a new high-energy zone that is already altering the magnetic fields of the Sun and all of the planets. There are reasons to believe that Earth is not the only planet in the solar system that is experiencing severe climate change, which means that CO2 emissions are not the main driving force behind rising global temperatures and climate change. Subscribe to the channel. The entire solar system is heating up. All planets are experiencing changes in their weather patterns. Scientists blame changes in the Sun, influenced by strong energy field outside the solar system. Changes are irreversible. The growth of dark spots on Pluto, melting ice caps on Mars, reports of polar aurora on Saturn, polar shifts on Uranus and changes in Neptune's light intensity suggest that something very strange is happening across the solar system. Many scientists suspect that the solar system is traversing a region of the galaxy with high energy. We have the illusion that the Sun is a nebulous ball of gas fixed in the sky that the rest of the solar system dances around. In reality, the Sun is one star among many others sitting on the outskirts of the Milky Way, about 55,000 light-years from the center of the galaxy, zipping through space at a speed of 72,000 kilometers per hour. Although the total amount of energy within the universe is conserved, pockets of energy in the Milky Way vary in intensity. The solar system may be transiting through one of these extremely high-energy regions. The Sun's magnetic field increases in strength. The phenomenon of climate change and warming happening in all bodies throughout the solar system has been supported by some scientists. One dramatic change that is taking place is the strength of the Sun's electromagnetic field. According to a study by Dr. Mike at Lockwood Rutherford Appleton National Laboratories in California, the Sun's magnetic field has increased by 230% in the last 100 years. Energetic changes in the Sun radiate outward through the solar wind, thus increasing the energy load of interplanetary space. Another evidence in favor of solar change is the sudden increase in galactic stardust. Ulysses, a space probe, has been monitoring the amount of stardust flowing through the solar system since 1992. The Sun's magnetic field affects the amount of stardust that passes through the solar system. The magnetic field attracts more stardust as it gets stronger. Excess stardust detected in the solar system. A reversal in the Sun's magnetic poles has opened the floodgates. The solar system is experiencing an excess of stardust. The Sun reverses its magnetic polarity every 11 years. The reversal occurs during the period called the solar maximum, which is the peak of activity in an 11-year solar cycle. As the Sun's magnetic field grows, it attracts more dust. Consequently, the amount of stardust in the solar system has increased threefold since 2003, which is heating up interplanetary space. What is intriguing to scientists is the amount of stardust that continues to flood the solar system even though the Sun has calmed down, as we are at the beginning of a solar minimum cycle in the Sun's activity. Scientists believe the Sun's polarity may not have completely reversed in 2001. Instead of reversing from north to south, the poles may have only turned halfway and now reside along the Sun's equator. This weaker configuration of the Sun's magnetic field allowed 2 to 3 times more stardust to enter the solar system than it did in the late 1990s. Some people just want to hear what some environmentalists are claiming, that global warming is happening because of human activity, and we're the cause of the extreme changes in climate that we've seen lately worse and worse. This behavior also exists because many individuals hide their true agendas, arguing that only human activity is the cause of everything. The Earth and evolving humans are responding to increased energy emissions from the galaxy's central sun, and the photon belt. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and activate notifications, to receive new videos.